Whether you've been keeping track of your projects in spreadsheets, or you're switching from another project management tool, Redbooth makes importing your work easy. All you need is a spreadsheet of an existing project. If you have your work in a tool like Asana or Trello, be sure to export your project first. From a workspace of your choice, click the Import button and download our template. This provides a foolproof guide for importing your work into Redbooth. Next, copy and paste tasks into the template. Be sure to follow the provided format for a successful import. Don't forget to add assignees and due dates to your tasks. When you're done, save the template as an XLSX file. Now you're ready to import your file into your Redbooth workspace. You'll be shown a preview of the imported tasks, and if everything looks good, go ahead and import your project. Just like that, your project is now in Redbooth. Say goodbye to spreadsheets and start collaborating with your team in Redbooth. Check out the Help Center to learn more.